Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video for people who don't have any knowledge to SolidWorks. SolidWorks is an efficient computer-aided design tool to solve engineering problems and build theoretical models on computer. It is a very popular and praised software for engineers and designers. In this video, I will show you every single step of how to make this glass square tank using this software. Hope it can give you a basic and general understanding of it. This video is made for beginners of CAD designers. Anyone with zero knowledge of SolidWorks can make the glass tank after watching the video. After we download and install the SolidWorks software, we can double-click on it and we will go directly into the following page. After we open SolidWorks, it will show like this page. We click on Part to create a part file, then click on OK. First, we choose front plane in the feature tree to our left workspace, then go to Sketch. We need to draw a random rectangle first. By doing so, we click on the Center Rectangle tab and draw one. Notice that it shows underdefined to your bottom right. So we go to Smart Dimension to define its side length. We input 30 centimeters here. And we need a square, so we input 30 centimeters to the other side. Then we go straight up to Features, and then Extruded Boss. We want to make our fish tank a cube, so we input 30 centimeters to the depth, and click on the green check mark. Let's make the thickness of the tank as 2.5 centimeters. It means we need a 25 centimeter square on one face first. Select the face of the cube, then click on Sketch. Again, we need to draw a random rectangle and draw it from the center of the face. Then go to Smart Dimension to make the side length as 25 centimeters. Notice it shows fully defined to the bottom right. Then go to Features. This time we choose Extruded Cut. To make the thickness of the tank the same, input 27.5 centimeters into the depth and click on the green check mark. We're almost finished. And what we want is a glass fish tank, so we need to change its material. By doing that, we right-click on Material and choose Edit Material. Glass should be under Other Non-Metals. And we choose Glass, click on Apply, and then close the page. We're done. Here is our beautiful glass fish tank.